Good evening to you.
Good evening.
So here's my question. Dumami ang followers mo sa social media nung naging finalist ka. Paano mo gagamitin ang opportunity na ito kahit natapos na ang competition na to?
I'm sorry. Could I get English, please?
I will try my best. Listen very carefully. Here's the question. Your social media following grew when you become a finalist. How would you use this opportunity even after your super bad journey? I think you understand that.
I grew this platform showing that you can be authentic.